Hi friends, if you're new to studying the Bible or exploring spirituality, welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to approach the Bible as a beginner, tips to help you understand it, and where to start if you're new to your faith journey. Let's dive in. First things first, don't feel overwhelmed. The Bible is a big book, but remember, it's meant to guide and encourage you, not stress you out. Approach it with curiosity and an open heart. Pray before you start reading, asking God for understanding. Something simple like, Lord, help me understand your word and how it applies to my life can make a big difference. Not all Bible translations are the same, and some are easier to understand than others. For beginners, I recommend translations like the New Living Translation or the English Standard Version. These versions are clear, accurate, and written in modern language. If you prefer an app, check out the Bible app, where you can explore different translations for free. If you're wondering where to begin, the Gospels are the best place to start. These are the first 4 books of the New Testament: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. They tell the story of Jesus, his life, teachings, miracles, and love for us. I recommend starting with the book of John. It's a beautiful introduction to who Jesus is and why his message matters. You don't have to read an entire chapter in one sitting. Start with a few verses or a short passage. After you read, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, what is this teaching me about God? What is it teaching me about how I should live? Write your thoughts in a journal to keep track of your spiritual growth. There are so many tools that can help you understand the Bible better. Study Bibles include helpful notes and explanations. Commentaries can provide context about the culture and history of the time. And if you're into tech, apps like YouVersion or Bible Gateway have great resources like devotionals, reading plans, and audio Bibles. Studying the Bible with others can make it so much easier to understand and apply. Join a local Bible study group, church, or even an online community. Sharing thoughts and questions with others can give you new insights and keep you motivated. Lastly, give yourself grace. You don't have to be a Bible expert overnight. Building a relationship with God takes time, and He's not grading you on how much you know. The goal is to grow closer to Him and understand His love for you. I hope these tips help you get started with studying the Bible. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Take it one step at a time and let God guide you. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more faith-based content. And let me know in the comments, what book of the Bible are you starting with? I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.